got hard. Tobacco wasn't selling, but old granddad knew what he'd do to survive. He went and dug for Harlan coal, sent the money back to Granny, but he never left Harlan alive. Where the sun comes up about 10 in the morning and the sun goes down about 3 in the day, and you fill your cup. Whatever bitter brew you're drinking, spend your life trying to figure out how to get away. And the sun comes up about 10 in the morning and the sun goes down about 3 in the day, and you fill your cup. Whatever bitter brew you're drinking, and you spend your life digging coal from the bottom of your grave. Harlan back. You never leave Harlan.